love the smell of concrete in the afternoon. It smells like victory. It's a great day whenever we pour concrete on a project. It's a big milestone. And today we are pouring our footings, our concrete foundation. So we've got concrete trucks out here, which you guys are familiar with. And you may have seen these driving around town, but you may never have seen one in action. So this is a boom pump, a pretty spectacular piece of equipment. It's got a giant auger pump in it, and it will pump concrete all the way up through that boom and out a pipe. And it's controlled by a guy right over here with a remote control. So here he is right here operating that piece of equipment with a remote control. We've got guys over here working on the concrete. So this is the beginning of our footing, and you can see the concrete pumping out over here. And that horn means that we're running out of concrete. So we're just about done with our first truck. But you can see these guys pour it through. There's a guy over here with a level with the laser on it, and he's actually setting the elevation, making sure the elevation is correct. And these guys are working this mud to make sure that it's nice and flat, level and smooth, and at the appropriate height for us to put our foundation walls on top of it. So always fun when we pour concrete. It's really interesting to watch. A lot of work happening. It's sort of the culmination of a lot of work to get to this point. Tomorrow we'll try to get you guys some aerial. I may actually break my editing rule. We've also got Universal Engineering out here. They do test batches. So they're gonna actually be taking cylinder samples of this concrete, and they're gonna test it at 7 days and 28 days and make sure that it's the appropriate strength as mandated by the engineering. The engineering sets a particular kind of strength, and they test that to make sure that the concrete comes to the strength that it's supposed to be at. If you guys have any questions about this process or about anything, just leave me a comment. Thanks and have a great day.